Mayong adlaw mga estudyante, this is Binibining Clay, ang bugtong itik nga nagkapakapas sa malapukon mong dughan, reminding everyone that in every muddy challenge, we grow, we learn, and we harvest success. Come and join me in aquaculture learning. In aquaculture, learning begins with our hands, from simple tasks to sustainable practices. This is our journey as students of aquaculture, where every process teaches us how to nurture life. We start with the basics, creating our own lime from tuway shells. Lime is an important material used in pan preparation, helping balance to the pH and improve water quality. By using natural local resources around us, we learn not just science but sustainability. Next comes one of the most exciting part, harvesting. With each throw of the cast net, we put our skills and timing to the test. We harvest tilapia using traditional cast nets to ensure minimal fish stress. We cast our nets with hope, harvest with care, and sort with precision. Each fish, a product of patience. Each day, a lesson in stewardship. Because aquaculture isn't just science. It's a way of sustaining life. Harvesting teaches patience, coordination, and respect for the life we raise. After harvesting, we sort and size the tilapia. This process helps in grading the fish. Small ones go back for rearing, while market-sized fish are prepared for selling. Fish are sorted based on size for market readiness and proper growth monitoring. Proper sorting ensures consistency and quality in every batch. Lastly, cleanliness matters. We make sure every fish is properly cleaned and that tools are washed before and after work. Good hygiene is part of good aquaculture practice. From tuway shells to tilapia harvest, every step in aquaculture teaches us effort, teamwork, and responsibility. This is not just learning for a grade. This is learning for life. Aquaculture, from nature to nurture. Bye-bye! See you next time!